It is about time. Having more time to do whatever we want to do. Okay? So we are going to discuss how to achieve that through some steps and strategies in today's program. Okay? So why in movies villains are so rich? Kind of manam program chestunnamu ante the same way we are going to get negativity in towards money. Okay, we can't create wealth with the negative mindset. The equation that we following is wrong. Actually the equation you need to follow is a different thing. First you have to have a clarity about it. So money is equal to salary earned from a job is a wrong statement. If you want to create wealth, you should not believe that money is equal to salary earned from a job. If you want to create wealth in a short time, so above equation never make you reach there. So here we need to utilize our time. Time is the precious asset for us. Why someone paying some 10 crore or 5 crore for Virat Kohli or other time? So time will make you money if you invest your time properly. Up to certain point we need to invest, save money or do whatever the money management does. And after crossing that, you should invest your time in a more efficient way so that you can create more wealth. Okay. Next, the truth about money and wealth. So how many? You have to find a problem and the solution which should be scalable. If you can't scale it, when you created a solution, if you can't scale it, again it's a problem for you. You can't.